Christmas is coming, so you need to get some gifts. Even if it isn't Christmas right now, you should have a birthday coming too this year. Even if you're watching this in January, Christmas is technically coming. I guess your birthday chances are a little less if you drive sketchy junk like this. I'm not lying when I say I've only had coffee today, and it's 2 o'clock. Everything is so well illuminated now I can go sort everything. Hey guys, welcome to Riggs Garage. Your garage junk needs illumination. I'm right in the middle of a garage revamp. There is junk everywhere, and it's really hard to see in here since I do 90% of my work in the garage late at night. No sunlight, no windows. But however, I do need light for precision work, like beating things into submission with a BFH. Most of your garages have a basic light socket on the ceiling, which is not adequate enough. So let's look into this product for you. This is a great cheap gift idea from Amazon for anybody who needs garage lighting or basement lighting, anywhere there's a light socket really. So check it out. I am putting affiliate links below in the description so you can click on that and get these immediately, even with supply chain shortages. Almost all garages have this variety of light socket. So what you can do is retrofit that with LED light panels. I grabbed 2 flavors of light panels off of Amazon. Variety 1 was $23.99 and it's 8,000 lumens, which is super bright. Of course, these just plug into a normal light bulb socket. The second flavor is 12,000 lumens, $35.99 for 2. I have 3 bays, so I needed 3, so I bought 2 packs to try them all out. Both of these have really good reviews. The second pack here, that's $35.99, also comes with sockets for the ceiling if you need them. The second more expensive variety has metal heat sinks here. Let's go install these. Nice thing about these panels is you can adjust them. So you can point them wherever you want. Super bright. Well, I have no windows, so let's get a clear look at what these look like after. It's like the sun's out in my garage. Everything is so well illuminated now I can go sort everything. I drank a slight small amount of caffeine today. I have drank some caffeine today. I have consumed caffeine today. I did consume some caffeine today. I did consume some caffeine today. It was really good. I did consume some caffeine today. It was really, really good. I did consume some caffeine today before I shot this video, and it was really good.